Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a request letter for demo teaching. This letter is a formal request addressed to a school or educational institution asking for an opportunity to conduct a demonstration class to showcase your teaching skills and classroom approach. You begin by addressing the letter to the principal, followed by the name of the school or institution. Then you include a clear subject line such as "Request for a demo teaching opportunity" to state the purpose of your letter. After that, you open the letter formally with "Dear Sir, Madam," as a respectful and professional greeting. After that, write, "I am writing to express my interest in a teaching opportunity at your esteemed institution. I have a strong passion for education and hold the necessary qualifications and experience to contribute positively to your academic environment. I would be grateful if you could allow me to conduct a demo class to present my teaching methods, classroom engagement techniques, and subject understanding. I am confident that a demo session will provide you with an insight into my teaching style and ability to connect with students. I am available as per your convenience and would be happy to follow any guidelines or topics you suggest. I look forward to your kind response. Yours sincerely, your full name, email, your contact number." Here's our sample request letter for demo teaching. You'll notice how it politely asks for an opportunity to conduct a demo class, outlines your interest in the teaching position, and highlights your readiness to adapt to the school's schedule. The letter maintains a respectful tone, clearly states your intent, and reinforces your enthusiasm to demonstrate your teaching abilities. This helps the recipient understand your professionalism and genuine interest in the role. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting formal letters.